今日教你分清楚 have worked、have been worked 同埋 have been working。有好多朋友諗到中文嘅表達已經做咗幾耐嘢呢？我哋會話 have been worked。咁呢一個錯嘅位喺邊度呢？首先 have worked 係現在完成式 present perfect tense， 佢嘅結構係 have 或者 has 加過去分詞，即係 past participle， 即係 have worked 就係話已經做咗。I've worked here for 30 years。我已經喺度做咗30年嘢。I've waited here for 30 minutes。我已經喺度等咗30分鐘。呢一句所表達嘅係直到現在呢一刻係等咗30分鐘。咁之後究竟會繼續等，已經等到，還是係放棄等待？我哋係完全唔知，就好似一個盲盒咁樣。之後睇 have been worked， 呢一個都係現在完成式，不過佢係被動語態 passive voice。結構係 have 或者 has 加 been 再加一個過去分詞，所以 have been worked 即係已經被工作咗。意思上的確係怪怪地。例如 I've eaten， 我已經食咗，但係 I have been eaten 係我已經被食咗。I've told， 我已經告知。I have been told， 我已經被告知。所以 I have been worked here 就係我已經喺度被工作咗咧，意思上係唔成立嘅。最後 have been working 係現在完成進行式 present perfect continuous tense， 結構係 have 或者 has 加 been 再加個 ing 嘅動詞，咁佢有唔同功能嘅。咁今日只係講兩個。我已經喺度做咗30年嘢，我哋可以話 I've been working here for 30 years。呢一度個 ing 咧可以強調兩樣唔同嘅嘢，一仲未完結，第二就係做咗好耐，即係表達個過程咁。I've been waiting for 30 minutes， 我已經等咗30分鐘。呢一度個 ing 咧就可以表達一未等完，二等咗好耐，表達個投訴咁。所以我已經喺度做咗30年嘢，唯一唔用得嘅就係被動語態嗰個啦。如果我好唔耐煩咁講，我已經企咗1個鐘。I blank here for an hour。 A have stood， B have been stood， C have been standing。 邊個答案最適合呢？想揾私營英文補習老師或者有興趣參加我嘅補習老師團隊，歡迎諮詢我。